Welcome back to the channel, guys. Sorry it's been a while, but we've been looking for a real good car boot sale. Finally found one. Hexham on Sunday morning. £3.50 was spent this week. Let's see what we've been getting. Starting with machine reamer. Quarter diameter. Bit rusty, but it just needs a quick clean up with a bit of wet and dry paper in the lathe. It'll come good. Little hand reamer. 5/16, that one, straight flute. These are all good. You can see again, someone has had these in a chuck at some point in their life because they're all chewed up. Another little 5/16 reamer. That one's actually had a bit of a hard life for a reamer. I think it's been put into a hole that's too small for it. 3/8 reamer. That's in really good condition, that one. Looks like it's been very lightly used, but just left in a drawer. These are all, they are sharp. And the final one, 7/16 spiral flute. Again, being in a drill chuck. Seen better days, but you know what? They'll still cut, they'll still come good. Can't get enough of these things. They were very difficult to find at one point. Now you can get loads of them. 1/8 BSP taps. Now, that one, 50p. These 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 pence each. That's all, 20 pence each. 50p a pound. Nice little I love my adjustable reamers. Nice little adjustable reamer in reasonable condition, so I thought. And I did pay £1 for it. And I got it home and I gave this one a little bit of a clean because I always check that the two nuts are loose. And I did find a load of damage on this one. But it works right up at this end. And it works down at this end, so we've got a reamer of some sort in the middle. That is 23.32 to 25.32, and it was £1. So a load's damage there. If we need to ream a hole there or there for £1, it's still a good one. It's a pity the blades hadn't been broken and the thread was good, because I could have swapped that out for my damaged reamer, couldn't I? Could have changed the body out. Never mind. Never mind. And this little gadget, 50p. It's got a sliding collar and it's got written on there LAL, Lima Alpha Lima, England, 5/8. And it slides up and down, and the fingers slide up and down. And it's got a square drive on that end. It is actually a broken tap extractor. If you've got a 4-bladed tap that's snapped off, you can clean it up. You can insert that down. If you can imagine on a bigger tap, you can insert that down into the voids, lock it up, turn the tap out. That's the theory. Never used the one. But there again, we'll see. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we never have to use it. Hopefully. So that was 50p, £1, £2, 50, £3 there. The mystery box, 50 pence with its contents. And at first I thought this was an old Moore and Wright micrometer like this one. That's what I thought I was going to find in the box. However, it was an assortment of drills. Let's quickly sort these out. Right, there we go. That can now live in there, can't it? Nice little micrometer case for 50 pence. Never mind the drills. Okay, let's have a quick flick through these, see what sizes we've got here. 139. That'll be 9/64. 9. 156. 532. 186. 3/16. 202. 13/64, I believe. 218. 7/32. 248, we'll call that a quarter. 248, we'll call that a quarter. 279, we'll call that 9/32. These are all imperial, these guys. That one's a bit chewed up, isn't it? See if we can find somewhere flat. 291. 19/64. 312. 5/16. 312. Another 5/16. 345. 11/32. 374. 3/8. 375. 374. 3/8. Someone's done a home job on this. They've turned this down. 316. 5/16. Must have been they must have had a home lathe where they could pop this into the chuck, turn this down to then be able to fit this into a smaller pillar drill or a hand drill for some reason. We'll call that 1/2 inch. Must have been a small drill because most hand drills can take 1/2 inch bits, but never mind. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 drills and a case for 50p. Can't go wrong for that, can you guys? And with those being old drills, they will all be good quality steel. All they need is possibly some of them might need a clean up on the wheel to put an edge back on them. Other than that, I cannot see them having any difficulty at all whatsoever drilling a hole. Right guys, that's it for this video. Thanks very much. As always, your time is greatly appreciated when you come visiting us, even if it is just looking at a car boot sale hoard for £3.50. As I say, remember, you can always find treasures in a car boot sale. Little micrometers, bits and pieces of drills and reamers. Never come in wrong, and for 20 pence a piece, you got one hole out of it, you're doing well. Catch us later. Ta-da now.